Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. As you work on your business, one of the things that we sometimes struggle with is getting clarity because oftentimes running a business can be very alone. Here on the May 3rd and 4th, you're going to actually experience an opportunity to work with your peers to ensure that as you look at building your business, you can do so competently, applying proven principles. So plan on joining us May 3rd and 4th to work on your company, work on yourself, and actually get better mental clarity as to what it is you're doing to help your clients and get paid what you're worth offering quality accounting services. Here at the conference, you're going to experience something phenomenal, which is a mind transformation as you consider the new frontiers for your company, and at the same time, actually see what it is you can do to make 2021 your best year ever. So I invite you to actually come and join us on May 3rd and 4th to make the most of this experience here at this wonderful Royal Creek Ranch. One of the things that I also want to stress is when you come out here, you're going to be able to join us on Saturday and Sunday for some pre-conference events to really get your mind in the right place. We're going to be doing some fun activities on Saturday. We're going to do a non-denominational worship service on Sunday in the evening. All of these things are things you do not want to miss, and I invite you to join us so that I can spend time with you, you can spend time with me and your peers, and in this process, make new connections, new friends, and more importantly, work on your business together. Why? Because with Universal, you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And for that, I invite you here May 3rd, May 4th, 2021 to actually experience the new frontier of your business. Take care and have a great day.